What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to change text spacing in Canva. So first of all, what we want to do is to add a text. To add a text, all you have to do is to go to text tab, and from here you choose the type of text which you want to use. Now, after you added the text, to change the text spacing for it, all you have to do is to select it, and as you can see here we have advanced settings, and now we can change either letter spacing or line spacing. So for this tutorial we're going to change the letter spacing. As you can see now it's very loose, the text, and if we copy it we can make it also by clicking on it and going to advanced settings very tight. As you can see, the distance between the letters here is very small and here is very big. And as simple as this, you can modify the spacing of your text in Canva. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.